Okay, in this video we've got a PlayStation 4 Slim. The fault with this one is the fact that it is not powering on. So this video is essentially diagnosing, testing, and then finding out what's wrong with it. I've got a sneaking suspicion that it is a power supply, so we'll find out. And again, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already, then please subscribe. There's always new content, different content coming up. We've got a series of videos coming up as well, so stay tuned and listen in for that. So we're going to start by taking some power, and we're just going to start by trying to turn it on, power it on. And just as I suspected, we're not getting anything. So the next thing will be to grab USB that I know carries data, the controller or a controller, and try and power it on that way, just to rule out the button. No, just as I expected, neither of those. So next step is to take it apart. As a precaution, what I'm gonna do is just get a working hard drive that I know works and put that in and give it a very quick test, because it can sometimes be the hard drive that causes a problem. So I'll just give that a quick test and find out. No. Yeah, like I thought, it did not solve the issue, so back on with the testing. We're going to get the power supply out. Okay, power supply removed. We'll get this thing apart, we'll have a little look at it, and we'll see if we can find anything obvious with it. First things first, because I have put power into this thing, whether this thing's dead or not, I'm not taking any chances. And as I always say, yeah, you're working on stuff like this, you want to short the capacitor, the biggest one that's carrying the most. And short that, draw all the lecky out of it, and just make sure it's safe to work on. Not entirely sure at this precise moment what the state of play with this power supply is, so what I did is I went and borrowed a power supply that I know a mate had one, and threw it in, give it a good test, and yeah, it was more than happy. I would have used a bench power supply to test it that way, but unfortunately my bench power supply is not quite functional, so couldn't use that. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Have a great day.